Looking for a solution to balance employee preferences, seniority, and operational needs while minimizing costs? Need a tool that delivers optimal schedules, saves time, and reduces expenses, all without the opacity of a black box system? Analytic Solver ensures transparency, scalability, and seamless integration within Excel's familiar environment, empowering you to solve even the most complex scheduling challenges with clarity and efficiency. Let's look at a few practical scenarios. Scenario 1: cost-effective staffing for call centers. Imagine a call center that needs to schedule employees for weekly shifts while ensuring everyone has 2 consecutive days off. The challenge? Determine how many employees to hire and set schedules to meet daily demand while minimizing total payroll costs. With Analytic Solver, you define variables, employee shifts, and has set constraints to balance costs with operational needs. Solver quickly calculates the optimal number of employees and assigns shifts, ensuring coverage while keeping costs low. Scenario 2: enhancing satisfaction with employee preferences. Once the base schedule is set, management can elevate employee engagement and satisfaction by incorporating individual preferences. Employees rank their desired schedules, and Solver integrates this data to create assignments that maximize satisfaction. This 2-stage model builds on the initial optimization by adding a second layer that prioritizes employee happiness. Solver not only ensures operational efficiency, but also fosters a positive work environment by aligning schedules with what matters most to your team. The result: improved morale, reduced turnover, and a more productive workforce. Scenario 3: scaling complexity with VBA and seniority. Adding seniority to the equation introduces another layer of complexity. For this scenario, Solver leverages a multi-stage model enhanced with VBA to automate the optimization process. Seniority weights are combined with preference scores to determine the final schedule rankings. With a single click of the Run Solver button, Solver delivers results that balance seniority, preferences, and operational needs seamlessly. As your workforce grows or scheduling demands evolve, Solver's scalability makes adapting models intuitive. The VBA automation streamlines these multi-stage processes, saving valuable time and effort. Analytic Solver offers unmatched transparency, scalability, and effortless integration within Excel, making it the ideal solution for optimizing even the most complex scheduling challenges. Ready to elevate your employee scheduling process? Explore Analytic Solver today, join a webinar, or experience it firsthand.